Canva is a free-to-use graphic design tool that comes with a built-in video editor with fundamental motion graphics capabilities. In the startup screen, select Video. You can select the preferred aspect ratio for the video you are working on. Today we are creating a square video. Click on the 1080x1080 option to get started. By clicking this icon on the bottom right, you can adjust the canvas size and timeline view. You may rename the project on the top right corner. First, navigate to Uploads on the left sidebar. To upload files, you can choose to upload from desktop files, Google Drive, Dropbox, Instagram, or Google Photos. After you're done uploading, you can view them all in the Uploads tab, which is separated into image, video, and audio. To start, drag your video into the timeline to fill up the canvas with your video. Or you can drag the video into the canvas to insert the video as its original size. Then, start designing. Remember to group up similar elements so that the animations will be applied to the element instead of being separated. After you're done designing, you can now add in animations. Select an element and navigate to the Animations button on the top bar. Feel free to explore all available animations to discover the one that suits your needs the best. You can customize the animation's duration. Choose for the animation to start at the beginning, ending, or both of a clip. You can also start by choosing a page animation which will be applied to the whole clip. Under Animations, you can also create your own animation by clicking and dragging the element. Then, adjust the movement style, speed, and add motion effects if needed. Now, you can adjust the timing for each of the elements for a better flow of information. Next, select and right-click on the element you would like to adjust and go to Show Timing. Adjust the elements accordingly and customize the animation to fit the informational flow. To add a new page, simply click the plus icon on the timeline to add a blank canvas, then start designing and adding in animations. By clicking the plus icon between the clips, you have the option to add in transitions too. Simply drag and drop in your preferred audio into the timeline. You can also adjust the fade in and fade out under audio effects. Lastly, download the video in your preferred size, and the video is done. By clicking on the top left Edit Video button, you can remove video background, apply video filters, and also do some simple adjustments to the video. Thanks for watching.